Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? I'm coming back with you with a wonderful, another great price built list. I am using the Intel i5 9400 CPU, or should I say APU. It's 6 cores, 6 threads, 2.9 gigahertz, 4.0 boost with 32 gigabyte of RAM. Here you're gonna be using the onboard graphics, the HD 630, which is just great. So you can't go wrong with that. It just like I said, basic use. Now you could probably game off of it, but this is just for basic use. Business, homeowners, streaming, rendering photos such as Adobe Photoshop, etc., etc. You want to go ahead on and have your home business going, you could go ahead on and look at your stocks, keep a track of yourselves, etc. If you want to go ahead on and do your college schooling at home, this PC would be great for you. So just like I said, it's coming on the Intel i5 9400 APU processor with 6 cores, 6 threads, 2.9 gigahertz base, 4.0 gigahertz boost, 32 gigabyte of RAM, 1 terabyte M.2 NVMe drive, internal drives, and with the onboard graphics of HD 630. Let's get right into this wonderful build. Alrighty, I am going with the Cosair 4000D Airflow white case, $69.99. I am going with the Asus Prime B365MA LGA 1151. Motherboard supports a 9th and 8th generation Intel processor. I also have a sync on the board with DDR4 2600 megahertz. It has 2 M.2 support drives on it, built onboard graphics. Now the board supports up to 64 gigabyte of RAM. I am teaming it up with, starting you off with the basics of 32 gigabyte of RAM. So if you want to upgrade the memory up, down the line to full capacity, add on a better graphic card such as a 4 gig to 8 gigabyte graphic card or higher, then you could do so. The board is coming in at $79.99. Teaming it with Evga 600 BA 600 watt power supply at $49.99. I am teaming up with G-Skill Aegis 32 gigabyte dual kit, 216 gigabyte 288 pin, coming in at 2666 speed at $109.99. I am teaming it up with two TeamGroup MP33 M.2 2280 512 gigabyte PCIe 3.0 by 4 NVMe. Yes, I am teaming up with two. So yes, you will be pushing a terabyte on this board. Grand total of that will be $105.98. And with the Thermaltake KB CMC TT Esports Commander LED illuminated gaming keyboard at $36.66. I'm teaming up with the Arctic Freeze 11 low profile CPU cooler. Has a 92mm fan, 100 watt TDP. Keep in mind the TDP on the CPU is 65 watts. You can't go wrong with it. The CPU cooler will keep the CPU at its top base performance while keeping everything cool. Thermal's not heating up, y'all good to go. You ready to fire it up and keep your PC running at its best peak performance. The Arctic Freeze cooler is coming in at $22.31. Now the beast, the Intel Core i5 9400 Coffee Lake 6 core 6 threads, 2.9 gigahertz 4.1 gigahertz turbo, LGA 1151 300 series, 65 watt TDP, coming in at $167.99. And teamed up with the RGB AsiaHorse WD-001120mm 5V RGB 12 adjustable LED 9-blade hydraulic bearing white case radiator fans. And this is a 5-pack coming in at $39.99. This is my $700 build. The grand total of this build list is $698.83. You cannot go wrong with this build. I can't wait till I get ahead and get monetized so I can start doing these wonderful builds off my build list. So y'all go ahead and see the good peak performance of these PCs, the extensive how it looks, and go ahead and give y'all the breakdowns. So if you like this build list, go ahead on and order these parts. All the parts are coming from Newegg. I will go ahead and put that in the, put all the links of all the parts in my description below. And I'm glad y'all enjoyed this wonderful, great video build price list. Go ahead on and click like, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed night. Peace.